Welcome to Ginger Media channel. This is a channel where we explore the truth behind the headlines. The former Gombe State Governor Ibrahim Dankwambo on Tuesday, that is yesterday evening, narrowly escaped being kidnapped by armed bandits along Abuja-Kaduna Highway in Kaduna State. Subscribe to the channel. This is once more Ginger Media channel. The governor in question narrowly escaped according to an aide to the former governor. He said this occurred yesterday evening on Tuesday when his convoy was on his way to Abuja. It was also supported by this video clip. We quote, "On our way to Abuja with my boss, His Excellency Dankwambo, kidnappers blocked the Abuja Highway at 4:35 today, Tuesday. But our policemen chased them away and we found out that they went away with 7 people, an aide to Dankwambo, who pleaded anonymity, told Ginger Media. Ginger Media has equally obtained a video clip, which you're going to see now, showing when they cleared the road. However, unknown to everybody, among those kidnapped are 3 law students of Ahmadu Bello University Zaria. They were kidnapped on the Abuja-Kaduna Expressway. According to a cabled newspaper, the students said to be in their final year at the university, and they were kidnapped and taken inside the bush. Recall that in April, Mahmoud Abubakar, chairman of the Universal Basic Education Commission, UBEC, and his daughter were kidnapped on the same road. Also recall on the 6th of August 2019, kidnappers killed a Kaduna Living Faith Church pastor Jeremiah Omalawe along the Kaduna-Abuja Highway. It was learned that the late pastor was returning from Abuja with his wife and his son on Sunday evening when the kidnappers struck and seized them. The kidnappers, however, demanded 20 million ransom on the abducted wife. Kaduna-Abuja road is still a danger zone. Kidnappers block road and were in the process of kidnapping passenger when the former Gombe State Governor Ibrahim Hassan Dankwambo's convoy arrived the scene. His security detail fired shots and dispersed the kidnappers, but they went away with 7 people, including 3 law students from the Ahmadu Bello University, ABU, Zaria. They didn't go after them, that is the security details of Dankwambo, because they were all afraid and they zoomed off and they left the people unattended, those in distress. You see, that is the class of the elite. The elite always look out for themselves. They care nothing about the downtrodden. You can see in the video women shouting, crying, asking to be helped, and nobody cared. See the video recorded by one of the former governor's aide, who shared that with Ginger Media. Again, they said another private driver who was also a witness of the attack, Danladi Sani, said, "I narrowly escaped the bandit attack at Olam because my car was behind one of the vehicles damaged by their gunshots, and they shoot sporadically to vehicles that ran into the blockade. We turned back and run to military checkpoint for safety." He added that the vehicles of the kidnapped, including a trailer truck, which can be seen in this video, were left at the scene of the attack with their doors wide open and ajar and their belongings spread on the road. However, what we cannot see from the video but was narrated by Mr. Sani Danladi, he said, "I counted 3 bodies when the road was opened at the exact place of the attack." He said, however, when Kaduna State Command spokesperson DSP Yakubu Sabo was contacted, he promised to make inquiries from the DPO in the area and get back to Ginger Media. The unknown gunmen reportedly took these 3 students away and zoomed off, and they are never found. This is Ginger Media channel. Watch the video and make up your mind where Nigeria is heading to.
Action gaba ne wani mota kana kallo ma tsoro ba da sun ɗebo yana sun yi biyu ba ga wani jeji ba wani jeji Wannan ba namu bane ba.
Ba namu bane amma ga namu can gaba.
Namu suna can gaba.
Wancan fa kamar sun ɗebe su ne sun tafi da su.
Wancan kai.
Wasu suna dan tafiya da wasu mata ba. Sai da budewa.
No, there are motorists that are parked too.
Park them there.
Look at them there. Look at the police there again. No, they will be scattered now. They will be. They parked because you cannot just move without having reinforcements from other security personnel. Oh, wow. Let's go. Ga sojoji nan ma yaya glass suna kuka.
Ya ne?
Kar ku damu za mu huda hanya. Kar ku damu za mu huda hanya mu je mana. Sun da biyo su.
Sun yi biyu wancan motar ma duka yi.
They entered the bush. You pardon. Sun kwashe mutane. Look at this trailer again. Maybe they ran away. Oh, they punctured the trailer's tire. Yeah.
They bust it. Huh?
They are not far away from here. Very disappointing. Cikin bushin nan suka shiga. Cikin bushin nan suka shiga.
This is your favorite station, Ginger Media TV. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Also remember to